Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. In this series, we'll solve some quadratic equation related to speed of a train, time, and when speed changes, how much time it takes. So which we feel sometimes difficult, but I am sure after this video, you will be able to do or solve all this type of questions. So before that, certain things you have to keep in mind. I'll discuss now. One is how to solve a quadratic equation. If an equation is ax square plus bx plus c, first you should know what is discriminant. It is b square minus 4ac, because why do you need? You need for finding x. What is x? X is the unknown quantity which we will find. That will be your minus b plus minus square root of b by twice a. So you have to apply this formula. And here always will take speed as your unknown quantity or x. So one thing you have to keep in mind that x cannot be negative here. X cannot be negative. So when you are solving a quadratic equation, you are taking two values, you are calculating two values, but will avoid the negative, will take only positive. Next thing you have to think that, or you apply the formula that speed is equal to your distance by time, or your time is equal to distance by speed. So what next concept we need here? We need here your if speed increases, time decreases. So when a train has more speed or higher speed, it takes less time. Another thing is when denominator is more or denominator is greater with same numerator, the value becomes less. The value of the fraction becomes less. So please keep all these things in mind before jumping to the question. So let us go for the question. You can note down. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So here the question is about the speed of the train. So this is the unknown quantity. This will take as x. Second thing is this is travels 360 kilometer. That means this is your distance. And uniform speed is given, but it is speed is uniform, but speed is unknown. We will take as x. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, then it will take 8 hours less for the same journey. What is the meaning of same journey? Same your 360 kilometer. So if needed, you can read the question again. A train is traveling 360 kilometer uniform speed. If suddenly it increases its speed 5 km per hour, it is given that it will take 1 hour less for the same journey, same 360 kilometer. You have to find the original speed or usual speed. So I'll write that. I'll start from the solution. Let usual speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Then usual time taken by the speed by the train, usual time taken by train. What is the formula for time? Distance by speed. What is distance? Distance is 360. What is your speed is x. So usual time is 360 by x hour. Now suppose it increase the speed. So increase speed or change speed, new speed, whatever you can write, change speed is your 5 more than the usual speed. So 5 more than x. What is 5 more than x? 5 plus x, or more 5 then your x plus 5 kilometer per hour. So what will be changed time or new time? Change time will be, you will set it is 1 hour less, maybe 1 hour less, but what it will be in term of x. Distance is 360, same distance it is covering, and now the speed has become how much? Not x plus 5. So this much hour it will take now. Now you have to think which one is greater. 360 by x is greater, or 360 by x plus 5 is greater. The difference is 1. That's okay. But unless you find which one is greater, you cannot write the equation properly. So here, take note that when the denominator is less, the value will be more. Or when speed increased, distance is time taken will be less. So keep in mind this 360 by x is greater than your 360 by x plus 5. No writing in the answer when you are writing solution, but keep in mind this concept. Now we'll frame the equation. So equation will be what? 360 by x subtraction 360 by x plus 5 is equal to how many hour? 1 hour. So this is very important because this is the equation which you will solve. If this is not correct, then whole thing will be wrong. Now solving this equation. First we'll simplify this. What will be LCM? LCM will be your x into x plus 5. And you know how to solve, simplify it. X plus 5 will be multiplied with 360, and x will be multiplied with 360 is equal to 1, or now we can simplify ourselves. 360x minus 360 multiplies 5. This gives you 1800 minus again 365 is 60x, because 360 multiplied with x whole upon, I'll multiplying now x into x square plus 5 times of x is equal to 1. So now simplify it. These two will be cancelled. I'm getting what? I'm getting, of course, it will be positive 360x into 5, 1800. So I'm cross multiplying. What I'm getting? I'm getting 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. Or I'm writing x terms in the left side because I'll frame the quadratic equation and I'll solve for x. So this is our final quadratic equation which we'll solve. Now either you split the middle term, think of what should be multiplied to get your 1800 and subtraction is 5, or use the quadratic formula. When it is very big, no need to go for the you're splitting the middle term. If it click quickly, then it's okay. Otherwise, go for formula. What is formula? Formula, you'll get d first. What is d here? D will be 5 square minus 4 into a into your minus 1800. So this will be 25 plus 7200. This gives you 7225. So what will be square root of d? Square root of d, you can find yourself. You can pause the video. You can find square root of d will be your 85. So I'm doing here. If you don't know, 7225, or sometimes we miss some concept in some classes, so we face problem in the higher classes. If you don't know, I am showing it. So pair from right side, take two numbers at a time. Then 72, think of a number whose square is less than 72. It's certainly it is 8 times 64. Then subtract, it will be 8. Then bring 25 together. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now think of what should be multiplied here so that I'll get 8 to 5. So it is clearly visible the unit place digit is 5. So I'll write 5 here and I'll give 165 multiplies 5 is equal to 8 to 5. So 85 is the square root. Now after getting this, I'm writing x. What will be x? X is equal to minus b. So minus 5, then plus minus root d 85 by 2, because this is your formula. Minus b plus minus root d by twice a. A is 1 here. So x you are getting minus 5 plus 85 by 2, or you are getting x is equal to minus 5 minus 85 by 2. Then x is equal to, from first I am getting 80 by 2, that is your 40. From second, of course, I am getting negative. I want to write, this is the answer, this is speed of the train, so it is not possible. The speed of the train cannot be negative. Otherwise, the train will move backward. So x is equal to 40. So speed of the train, is 360 kilometer per hour. If time is there, you can verify it so that you will be confirmed. Yes, I'm correct. How to verify? First, take 360 by 40. How much time it is taking? It is taking your 9 hours. Then it increase the speed to 5. So 45. Now it is taking time 8 hours. So difference is 1 hour. Yes. So our question is 100% right. So we'll get full marks. So I hope you have understood. Thank for watching. Thank for subscribing. Next, we'll move to another question related to train speed and which can be solved with quadratic equation. Bye.